Hi everyone, this is your Kuya Doc and I am with
Your Ate Aimee.
and we are here to discuss another lesson. But first, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's start! Habits, attitudes, and character. A triad of personal development. Habits, attitude, and character are foundational elements in the landscape of personal development and human relations. They are interconnected, influencing each other in a dynamic interplay. It shapes an individual's behavior, interactions, and overall well-being. Understanding these concepts and actively cultivating them can lead to significant personal growth and improved relationships. The first one is the habits. Habits, the power of consistent action. Habits are learned behaviors performed automatically, often without conscious thought. They are formed through repetition and association, becoming regained in our daily routines. While habits can be simple, they can also be complex. The power of habits lies in their ability to shape our lives over time, for better or for worse. How habits are formed? Habits are formed through a neurological loop consisting of a cue, a routine, and a reward. The cue triggers and the behavior. The routine is the action itself, and the reward reinforces the behavior, making it more likely to be repeated. The impacts of habits. Positive habits contribute to physical and mental well-being, academic success, and professional advancement. Conversely, negative habits can lead to health problems, poor performance, and damaged relationships. Changing habits. Changing habits requires conscious effort and a strategic approach. It involves identifying the cues that trigger the undesirable behavior, replacing a routine with a healthier alternative, and rewarding oneself for the positive change. Consistency is a key, as it takes time, repetition, to break old habits to form new ones. Let's proceed to the second, the attitudes. Attitudes, the lens through which we see the world. Attitudes are learned predispositions to respond favorably or unfavorably to specific objects, people, or events. They reflect our beliefs, values, and experiences, and they influence our perceptions, judgment, and behaviors. Attitudes can be positive, negative, or neutral, and they play a significant role in shaping our interactions with others and our overall outlook in life. The components of attitude. Attitude consists of three components: the cognitive, affective, and behavioral. The cognitive component refers to our beliefs and knowledge about the object or person. The affective component involves our feelings and emotions associated with it. The behavioral component represents our tendency to act in a certain way towards it. The impact of attitudes. Positive attitudes foster resilience, build strong relationships, and promote effective communication. Negative attitudes can lead to conflict, isolation, and missed opportunities. Changing attitudes. Changing attitudes can be challenging as they are often deeply ingrained. However, it is possible through conscious effort and exposure to new information and experiences. Challenging our assumptions, Seeking diverse perspectives and practicing empathy can help us shift our attitudes towards a more positive and constructive direction. The third one is the character, the moral compass of our actions. Character refers to the moral and ethical qualities that define an individual. It encompasses virtues such as honesty, integrity, courage, compassion, and responsibility. Character is the foundation of trust, respect, and ethical behavior. It guides our actions, especially when faced with difficult choices, our moral dilemmas. The development of character. Character is developed over time through a combination of factors including upbringing, education, personal experiences, and conscious choices. Role models, moral teachings, and ethical frameworks play a significant role in shaping our character. The importance of a character. A strong character is essential for building meaningful relationships, leading with integrity, and contributing to a just and ethical society. It fosters trust, inspires confidence, and promotes long-term success. Cultivating character. Cultivating character requires self-reflection, ethical decision-making, and a commitment to living in accordance with our values. It involves identifying our core values, setting ethical boundaries, and holding ourselves accountable for our actions. Seeking feedback from trusted sources and learning from our mistakes can also contribute to build a character, a better development. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone for listening.
Okay, so we are done with the habits, attitudes, and characters. And now, lumipat naman tayo sa interests, principles, values, and the last one, the work values of Filipino workers. Are you ready? Let's go! Now, let's talk about interest under personal traits. Interests are the activities, hobbies, or fields that capture a person's curiosity and passion. These are the things that we genuinely enjoy doing, and they play a big role in shaping who we are. So, interests influence our personality, affects our choices, and even guide us towards our future career paths. So, kung iisipin natin, ang interests ay parang mga bagay na kusang nagbibigay sigla sa atin. Ito yung mga gawain na kahit hindi ka naman pinipilit na gawin, ay ginagawa mo pa rin. Bakit? Kasi gusto mong gawin. Nag-e-enjoy ka. So they are the activities that motivates us and gives us energy. For example, someone who loves reading novels or writing stories may develop a strong imagination and communication skills. On the other hand, those who enjoy sports like basketball and volleyball, or even chess, often learn teamwork, discipline, and strategic thinking. So, hindi lang kasi basta laro ang sports. Dito rin natututo ang tao ng disiplina, pakikipagkapwa, at syempre, kung paano bumangon kapag natalo. Okay, so another one is volunteering in community projects. So this shows not only interests, but also compassion and responsibility. Kapag interesado kang tumulong sa iba, mas lumalawak ang pag-unawa mo at nagiging mas makabuluhan ang pakikisalamuha mo sa kapwa. So in short, our interests are not just hobbies we do for fun. These are reflections of our passion and values. They help us discover our strengths, improve our skills, and find what truly makes us happy. Kaya nga mahalaga na alagaan at paunlarin natin ang ating mga interes dahil sa huli, sila rin ang maaaring magturo sa atin kung ano nga talaga ang tatahakin nating landas sa buhay. Let's now move on to principles. So principles are our fundamental beliefs and moral rules that guides our decisions, behaviors, and relationships with others. Simply put, these are the standards we hold on to when we make choices in life. These serve as our compass, showing us what is right, what is fair, and what is just. Sa madaling salita, ang principles ay parang gabay o ilaw sa atin sa ating daan na tinatahak. Kahit walang ating magulang o guro o ibang tao na para magbantay sa atin, ang mga prinsipyo na ito ang nagsasabi sa atin kung tama nga ba ito o mali. So some examples of principles including practicing honesty, treating others with fairness, respecting elders, and keeping promises. Kapag nagsabi tayo ng totoo kahit mahirap o tumutupad tayo sa mga salita na sinabi natin, pinapakita natin na may prinsipyo tayo. Another example is standing up for justice, speaking up when someone is being treated unfairly. Maintaining integrity even when no one is watching is also a strong principle. Kasi ang tunay na prinsipyo, sinusunod kahit walang nakakita, hindi lang kapag may tao. Valuing equality is another principle. Believing that everyone deserves the same respect and opportunity regardless of who they are. Ito ay mahalaga lalo na sa panahon ngayon na maraming diskriminasyon o pagkakaiba sa trato ng bawat isa. When we live by good principles, people trust and respect us. But more importantly, we also gain confidence in ourselves because we know we are making the right choices. Kaya nga, ang prinsipyo ay hindi lang basta salita. Ito ay pundasyon ng ating pagkatao at nagiging gabay natin sa pagharap sa mga pagsubok sa buhay. So remember, while skills and knowledge can make us successful, it is our principles that makes us truly respected and valued as a person. Next is values. Okay, so values are deeply held beliefs about what is important, what is meaningful, and worthy in life. They influence our choices, our priorities, and even the way we treat other people. In other words, values serve as the foundation of our character, shaping how we live and how we interact with the world around us. So sa Tagalog, ang values ay yung mga paniniwala at pamantayan na pinanghahawakan natin. Ito ang nagsasabi sa atin kung ano nga ba ang mahalaga sa atin at ano nga ba ang dapat nating unahin at kung paano tayo kumilos sa iba't ibang sitwasyon. Examples of values include love for family, respect for traditions, and kindness towards strangers. For instance, when we show care and respect to our parents or elders, we are practicing the value of family and respect. So kapag nakikitungo tayo ng maayos sa ibang tao kahit hindi naman natin sila kilala, pinapakita natin ang kahalagahan ng kabutihang loob. Other important values are responsibility in school or work, perseverance in reaching goals, humility, compassion, and dedication to community service. Responsibility means doing your part well, like studying seriously or finishing tasks on time. Perseverance is continuing to strive for your goals even when things get tough. Humility reminds us to stay grounded, while compassion teaches us to care for others. And when we serve our community, we show that we value the common good, not just ourselves. So kung mapapansin natin, ang values ay hindi lang para sa sarili natin. They also guide us in living harmoniously with others and in contributing to society. So without values, people may lose direction and act only for their own benefit. But with strong values, we are able to live with integrity, with purpose, and with respect. And so to summarize it all, values are beliefs we live by. They are not just ideals we talk about, but actions we show every day in how we treat our family, how we treat our friends, our work, and of course, our community. And the last but definitely not the least, the work values of Filipino workers. So work values are the shared attitudes, beliefs, and qualities that Filipino workers display in their workplace. These values are the reasons why Filipinos are respected and loved not only here in the Philippines but around the world. Kung iisipin natin, ang trabaho ay hindi lang tungkol sa skills o yung galing. Mas mahalaga rin ang values na dinadala ng isang tao sa kanyang pinagtatrabahuhan. Ito ang nagpapakita ng tunay na pagkatao at siyang dahilan kung bakit maraming employers abroad ang bilib sa mga Pilipino. One of the strongest Filipino work values is hard work and perseverance. Kahit gaano kahirap ang trabaho, makikita mong hindi sumusuko ang mga Pinoy. For example, in OFW working abroad often takes on multiple jobs just to provide for their family back home. Dito makikita ang tiyaga at determinasyon na matapos ang gawain kahit pagod na pagod na. Another is pakikisama or good interpersonal relationships. Filipinos value teamwork and harmony. Sa trabaho, makikita ito sa paraan ng pakikisama sa katrabaho. Yung marunong makisabay, marunong makisama, makinig, o makibagay. This is why Filipinos are often considered easy to work with in multinational companies. Also, Filipinos value respect, especially to superiors and elders. Sa kultura natin, natural na ang paggamit ng po at opo at ang pagbibigay galang. Sa trabaho, pinapakita ito sa pagrespeto sa boss o pagsunod sa tamang proseso at pakikitungo ng maayos sa lahat, mataas man o hindi ang posisyon ng kinakausap nito. Responsibility and reliability are also key values. Kapag may iniatang na gawain sa isang Pilipino, sisiguraduhin niyang matatapos ito ng maayos. Halimbawa, isang nurse na Pilipino abroad. Kilala sila sa pagiging maalaga at mapagkakatiwalaan sa kanilang pasyente. We also have creativity and resourcefulness. Kapag may kulang na gamit o limitadong resources, kapag kayang-kaya ng Pinoy na mag-isip ng paraan. Yung tinatawag nating diskarte. For example, a Filipino carpenter can build or repair something even with simple tools, or an office worker can solve problems with innovative solutions kahit limitado ang budget. Another very important value is hospitality and compassion. Kahit sa trabaho, dala-dala ng mga Pinoy ang pagiging maalaga o magiliw. Sa hotel and service industry, Filipino workers are loved because they make guests feel at home. Sa healthcare field, nurses and caregivers are admired because they treat their patients with genuine care and warmth. Another one, Filipinos also show dedication and loyalty. Kapag nagtrabaho, madalas tumatagal sa isang kumpanya. nagiging tapat at committed sa trabaho. Employers appreciate this because it shows that Filipinos don't just work for money. They work with heart. And of course, Filipinos practice faith and optimism. Na kahit anong hirap ng trabaho, naroon pa rin ang pananampalataya at pag-asa. Maraming manggagawa ang nagsasabi ng, kaya natin to. Bahala na ang Diyos. This positive mindset helps them endure challenges with a pretty smile. So, kung pagsasama-samahin natin ang mga work values ng Pilipino ay hard work and perseverance, respect and pakikisama, responsibility and reliability, creative and resourcefulness, hospitality and compassion, dedication and loyalty, and of course, faith and optimism. So sa madaling salita, hindi lang basta empleyado ang mga Pilipino. They bring with them values that make workplaces more productive, more harmonious, and more human. Kaya nga, saan man tayo dalhin, sa ospital, opisina, paaralan, pabrika, kahit sa ibang bansa pa yan, Filipino workers stand out because of the values they live by. So, when we talk about the work values of Filipino workers, we are talking about more than just skills. We are talking about the puso, malasakit, at ang dedikasyon na dala ng bawat Pilipino sa kanyang trabaho.